Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 4th Physical Education and Sports for CWSN Part 4 Disabilities Etiquettes. It is a set of guidelines dealing specifically with how to approach people with disabilities. For example, think about you speak, be sensitive about physical contact, respond graciously to requests, don't make assumptions. Second, general disabilities etiquettes. First one is when deals with person with disability, always offer him to shake hand. Second, always introduce yourself to person who are blind using your name. Third, never talk to person with disability through a companion. Fourth, when you meet a person with a usual improvement, always identify yourself and other who may be with you. Fifth, never lean on the wheelchair. Sixth, always give additional time to a person with any disabilities to do or to say something. Next, strategies to make physical activity accessible for CWSN. Various types of disability such as mental disability, speech impairment, language impairment, blindness or poor body mechanics, health impairment, etc. Various strategies involved are: first one is medical checkup, second, specific environment should be provided, third, selecting and adapting toys and games as per their interest, fourth, equipment related to physical activities should be according to the need of children, fifth, universal design for learning, sixth, different method of instructions, seventh, consider different approach to mobility, eighth, adaptive physical activity for students, 9, fun activities for children with autism. First one is medical checkup. Medical checkup, it is essential to have a medical checkup for all the children with special needs or with various disabilities, because without medical checkup the teachers of physical education cannot come to know about the types of disability the child is facing. Second, specific environment should be provided. Physical activity should be limited as movement capabilities of children with special needs are limited. Third, selecting and adapting toys and games as per their interest. Adapted toys can provide children with disabilities the same play opportunities, the rules of the games and setting up the play environment. Fourth, equipment related to physical activities should be according to the need of children. These equipment should vary in size, shape, color and weight. These equipment should be according to the capabilities and level of children. Fifth, universal design for learning. Universal design approach provide a framework for creating instructions, materials, and assessment that work for everyone. And 6. Different methods of instructions. Teachers must adjust and vary their approach based on the skills and unique learning needs. Instructions should be focused on the abilities to each students. Next, consider different approach to mobilities. Making outdoor programs accessible for disabled. Once you gain some regularity in getting children out in green environments, you will start seeing the result in their level of self-esteem, folks. And next, adaptive physical activity for students. When putting adaptations into place, the planning, equipment, and environment for physical education classes should be such that ensure enjoyment and success for a child. Ninth, fun activities for children with autism. Craft activity is fun for everyone. The opportunities to explore color, space, and sensory experience can be stimulate attention. And next, rules should be modified according to the CWSN. Rules of the physical activities should be simple, but later on these rules can be modified according to the needs of the children. They can be provide extra attempt or time to perform a physical activities. Okay, thanks.